Easy, easy. Yep.
Help me! The pox! Hands up! You trying to rob a sick man?
I was trying to help.
Bullshit you was.
You move and I'll shoot you. Bastard won't give up.
Lousy bastards. Wait. Here. Whoa, easy. Let's go, girl. Here we go. Got some ground to cover. Don't seem close. Not far now. Yep. Let's get. Yep. Ah!
How's he even walking this? Doesn't seem like stopping anytime soon.
Whoa. Stop that right now! You can't keep doing that! You can't keep doing that! Just what is wrong with you? Stop that right now! Got a problem? Who that? Just what is wrong with you? Got a problem? Just what is wrong with you? Calm down. Can't face a real man?
Hey, you! Come here a minute.
What do you need?
Thanks for stopping, sir. Thank you. Percy Wood, Central Union Railroad Company. Maybe you can help me. One of my... One of my workers has been stealing wages. 3 weeks running. I have searched everyone and everywhere 10 times over. Of course, no one is talking. The way they look at me.
What's all this got to do with me?
I think I need someone a little more neutral. A little more persuasive. And you look like you're, And I gotta watch the camp, so... Could you see what you could sniff out? I'll pay you for your efforts, of course.
Yeah, I got it. What exactly is it you want me to do?
Find the thief and recover the money. And give him his marching orders. I'm not one for matters of personnel. Look for anyone sneaking off the line. They've got to be stashing it away from camp somewhere. Well, can you help me? My head is on the block here.
I'll see what I can do.
Thank you. Thank you.
We offer you honest work for honest pay, and you steal from us. It's disgusting. Come on. Come on. What are you doing over here? What are you doing? No complaining. Just get the job done. And if you're gonna talk, talk English! All right, I gotta go for a piss. Y'all keep at it. I'll hear it if you don't. Wow, hola.
General Store refused me yesterday. Accused me of stealing drugs from a car. But when they say I'm suspended before.
What are you doing here?
Doing your friend Percy a little favor. He says one of the workers has been stealing. I reckon I just found him.
Stealing? What? I'm the junior foreman here. It's them Orientals you want to speak to.
You ready to return that money you stole?
Okay, okay. All right. I'm leaving. The money is in the tree. Just please don't kill me.
Sweet Jesus! Help! Please, let me go. Oh, God, no!
Isn't your day,
I
is it?
promise I'll leave.
Why me? God, help!
We're going for a walk.
Come on, let me go. What are you gonna do to me?
Come on, then.
Come on! You don't have to tie me up.
Help!
Here.
I swear to God, I'll never steal again.
Is someone help?
Stop that! Ain't no reason to hurt nobody. That's enough now! I caught him stealing money from the camp. Taking him back to the foreman.
Really now? I got better things to do anyhow, Hal.
Not sure if this is a rumor or not, but they said the Colonial Railroad and Central Union are in a big fight.
I heard this too. How are you?
Your colleague here thought he was entitled to a bonus. I got your money.
Randall? I don't believe it. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Thank you for your help, partner. Here. For your trouble.
What the hell?
Come on. Okay, girl.
We warned you not to come back on our territory.
Get that some bitch!
Howdy there, stranger. Hey, that's a nice-looking horse you have there. Bet it ain't faster than mine, though. Ariel's my pride and joy. Why not a race to Calumet Ravine?
You? Sure, let's race.
All right, let's race.
Yeah. Yeah. Easy there, girl. Yeah. Good girl. You good girl? Good girl. You done good, girl. Yep. Yeah. Look at that. A one. Whoa, easy.
What happened to you? Huh? All that stamina training. For nothing. Ugh. Ugh.
Not a bad race. Maybe another time.
Next time, friend. Next time we'll get you. You can write that down. Bye now.
Not a bad race. Maybe another time. Hey there. Okay there?
Fire's always better with company. Come and rest.
Thanks.
So where are you from, friend?
Kinda all over the place.
I am from Mexico. I left because my best friend, a man I'd known my whole life, betrayed me. And why am I telling you this? Because often the company of strangers is the best kind. The closer we get, the more cruel we become.
Oh, yeah?
See, you know it too. I don't know how well you know the town of Annisburg, but they tell a story of three brothers, close as can be, until greed destroyed them. They'd found gold together, but one of them ran off with it all. Now, the three of them lie dead. They say the brother marked the spot where he'd hidden the gold with tree carvings until he was followed there and shot dead by one of the other brothers. As far as I know, it's never been found. And neither has the body of my best friend. Well, I've rested long enough.
Good girl.
I'd keep moving if I was you. What did I tell you? Get the hell out of
Hey,
here!
calm down. Maybe you can help us. It ain't like this is going well.
Really? Ah, shit. Nothing to lose, I suppose. Come on. The truth is, mister, our last batch of shine didn't turn out so good. You think you can help us with locating some ingredients? We could reward you for your troubles.
Why not? World could always use more moonshine, right?
You know, wild tobacco might give us the rich, earthy flavor we are looking for.
Oh, yeah? I have some with me.
Go on, lazy bones. Toss the plants into the batch so we can test it out. Place them in the hatch on the side of the still.
All right. I'm gonna give this a taste. Well, ain't so tasty, but dang if I don't get a prickly feeling. Real sharp.
Well, that sounds kinda interesting. Why don't we rest up a spell, and then whip up another batch later on? We got a rare victual in that chest there. Take it. I'd say you earned it.
Nice, thank you.
That's that, then.
Girl.
Oh, hey, you there. Think you could help a lady out? My horse up and died on me, twisted my ankle something fierce. Think you could give me a ride?
Yeah, sure. Hop on.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. You know Emerald Ranch? Mind taking me there?
Sure.
Glad I ran into you. Huh. I raised that horse, you know. Raised it since it was just a foal.
Oh, losing a horse is hard. Sorry to hear that.
Yeah, that horse did right by me. Better than my husband, truth be told. That fool, always complaining, but does he do something about it? Man barely lifts his hand to wave the flies away, aside from to lift a drink, of course. Marriage, for me, has been nothing but trouble. But Biscuit, he was a fine animal. Loyal, smart, brave. Didn't take no guff, not from no one. Had one of them mountain boys pull a gun on me once. I was riding up near the Dakota and had stopped by a nice warm patch. Must have dozed off, but I wake up and find some nasty piece of work pointing a rusty shotgun straight at me. Well, he gets wheezing on and I must have made some sort of noise because the next thing I know, Biscuit had nipped his ear clean off. Kicked his hide, too, as he was hollering away. Didn't think a man could run so fast.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, had a good laugh on that one. I tell the husband, what does he do? Should have never gone over there, honey, he says. Gee, thanks.
So, you live at Emerald Ranch then?
For the time being. I was looking for work. They was looking for some help with the gardens. If I waited any longer for my husband to put food on the table, I'd have died of starvation. I'll be moving on soon, though. Emerald Ranch, well, it's a strange place.
How so?
The owner's a mean bastard. Strange, too. Delights in bullying folk. There's a daughter, but she never leaves the house. You can see her in the window sometimes. When I asked about her, everybody told me to leave it alone. Found an old saloon there, all shut down now, but I went in to have a look, and there's bullet holes, old blood stains. Something definitely happened there, but I couldn't figure it. Just an uncomfortable feeling to the place. Either way, it's time I left, especially now I lost that poor horse. I'll collect my belongings and be on my way.
Back home?
I guess. I bet my husband's right where I left him, bottle in hand. Oh, we're getting close now. Here we go. This is great. This was kind of you, mister. Please, take this as my way of thanking you.
Look at the time.
Appreciate it. What a lousy day.
Easy there. Hey there, girl. Giddy up. Don't worry, I'm just playing with you.
You got a
Sorry,
problem.
I don't know why. I find this so entertaining.
You be wise not to trifle with me.
Hey there, mister.
You, been rolling around at the bushes?
Yeah. Hey, friend. Don't give a care in the world how you look, huh?
We are scuppered this time. Properly scuppered. The land up ahead got bought out from under us and we can't finish the track. Yeah, they won't admit it, but I just know this is old Leviticus Cornwall's doing. It has to be. Would you, talk to them for me? I'll pay you well, I promise.
Cornwall, you say? All right, I'll talk to them. But it may take a little convincing.
You do whatever you need to do.
Maybe I'll check back on you later, then.
I saw this hunter bring a bag to Stone Town. Get the whole thing himself.
Yep. Okay, my girl.
Come on, 我哋大家休息一陣啦。唉，我哋唔理佢哋啦。
Yeah. Easy, whoa.
Hey, you. What are you doing here? This is private property. You're trespassing.
The boys at the railroad camp, they don't seem too happy. Looks like you're in their way.
We own this land, so they ain't going any further.
Oh, you gonna live here all happily ever after, is that it?
What's it to you?
You can drop the act. Everyone knows you're Cornwall's nursemaid, so why don't you run on home and go wash his fat feet?
What the hell did you just say? You better start running, you son of a bitch.
Must have got it wrong, then. Apologies, boys. You know what? On second thoughts...
Whoa, breaking heads.
Oh, shit. Let's get out of here.
I'm right behind you.
Now get, while I'm still feeling generous, lazy bums. Let's get... Yeah.
Well, how'd it go? Just tell me I'm resigned to the worst.
One deed to the property. They was very understanding. You got my money.
Yes. I was just about to call it a day. Thank you.
Me and Mr. Cornwall go way back. Here, Yep.